The nervous system is responsible for signaling a fight, flight, freeze, or as we call it, the stress response in the body. So the body can prepare itself for danger. But if the nervous system is activated over and over and over again by the same or similar danger, over time it becomes overactive and we become very familiar with this stress, both mentally and physically. And the environment inside our body shifts from restful digestion and nourishment to chronic state of alertness. This happens because most of the dangers we perceive in this day and age are psychological, like our ability to deal with challenges, constant need to compete, or the need for approval, and so on. Unlike our ancestors simply being chased by a hungry tiger. This sends a signal to parts of our brain like the amygdala, which is central for making sense of emotions and forming associations to look out for constant threat. There is also another exchange of signals that happens from the core mediator, the hypothalamus, which is a brain structure which alerts the pituitary gland to nudge the adrenal glands to produce the one and only cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone and its job is to trigger sugar release into the bloodstream. And as a result, the brain also receives a message to increase appetite to make sure we have an available source of energy. This increases insulin, which is basically the sugar daddy of metabolism because it's responsible for managing the sugar in our blood and all the places we store it. If insulin lingers in the bloodstream for a long time, the cells can become resistant to it, which means the body can't convert sugar into fuel. So sugar accumulates and is quickly turned into fat by insulin. This is why no level of exercise is able to help us lose weight at this point.